Starting with a chain of 20 again for the swatch. We're going to do double crochet. For the double crochet, you're going to insert it from the 4th hook from the chain. So 1, 2, 3, 4. You're going to yarn over, insert it into that chain. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yarn over again and pull through a loop. You have 3 loops on your hook. You're going to yarn over and pull through the first 2. You have 2 loops left. You're going to yarn over and pull through those last 2 loops, and that is a double crochet. So yarn over, insert into the next chain, yarn over, pull a loop through, yarn over and pull through 2, yarn over and pull through the last 2. Yarn over, insert your hook into the next chain, yarn over, pull a loop through, you have 3 on your hook, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over and pull through the last 2. You just keep working double crochets in each chain to the end. Pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, go into the chain, yarn over again, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2. Okay, now you work your last double crochet in the last chain. To start the next row, you chain 3 and turn your work. Now a double crochet is different from the single and the half double because your turning chain does count as the first stitch. So you don't work in this first stitch, you work in the next one. So yarn over, skip this stitch, and do your first double crochet in the next stitch. And you continue working across in each stitch. You go under both loops. Just work a double crochet in every stitch from the previous row. Okay, almost to the end. Okay, what's a little different about this, because the turning chain did count as your first stitch in the beginning, you're going to make your last stitch in the turning chain from the previous row. And that's what, when we skipped the 4 stitches, that's your turning chain from the beginning. So you're just going to count 1, 2, 3, and you're going to yarn over and insert your hook into the top of that turning chain and work your last double crochet. There you go, that's 2 rows of double crochet. And you start the next row, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, turn your work, yarn over, and then this counts as your first double crochet, so you don't go into this stitch, you go into the next. You do the same thing for every row. And when you get to the end of this row, and every row that you're working, you're going to look for your first turning chain and work in the top chain. Continue working double crochet rows. I'm going to work 14 for the swatch. It's 14 rows of double crochet, 18 stitches in each row, and how you count those stitches is the turning chain that you started with is your first stitch, and then the V's after that. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18 double crochets in each row.